In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board as HTML. This process will allow you to easily integrate a Miro board into websites or other platforms that support HTML. It's perfect for those who want to share their board's creative insights or collaborative designs with a wider audience directly through a web page. This step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process, ensuring that you can achieve this effortlessly. First, let's head over to the Miro website. Open your web browser and navigate to Miro.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, which you will typically find in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on that and it should direct you to the login page. Now you'll have to sign in using your credentials. You have the option of signing in with your email address or using your Google account if you're looking to streamline the login process. Most people often find the Google option quicker if they have it connected to their Miro account, so it's a handy tip if you're frequently using Miro. Once you've logged in, you'll need to continue by clicking on Continue with Email if that's your chosen method. This action will keep you securely signed into your account and direct you to the dashboard where all your boards reside. Now that you're in the dashboard, navigate to the board you want to embed. You should see all your available boards laid out in front of you. Click on the specific board that you want to share. Opening the board will bring up a more detailed view where you can manage your board. The next step involves locating the Share button. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Share. Clicking on this will open a menu with several sharing options. From the sharing menu, choose the Embed option. This is the crucial step where you'll generate the HTML code required to embed your board. After clicking Embed, you'll notice an option to copy embed code. Click on Copy Embed Code. This action will copy the necessary HTML code to your clipboard. Make sure you don't skip this step, as this code is what you'll need to paste into your HTML wherever you want your Miro board to appear. And there you have it, you've successfully copied the HTML embed code for your Miro board, ready to be placed into any compatible HTML page. You can now share your dynamic content seamlessly with anyone who visits your web page. Just insert the HTML code into your website's editor at the desired location, and your Miro board will be live for all to see. Remember, regularly updating the content on your board will keep it dynamic and engaging for your audience. Happy embedding!